YUYQA vs OKSJ vs RALYUNI, which ultrasonic dog barking deterrent device will be popular? Dog owners know how frustrating persistent barking can be, not just for you, but for your neighbors too. In 2025, ultrasonic dog bark deterrent devices have evolved into safe, compact, and effective alternatives to shock collars and harsh training tools. 3 of the top contenders on the market are the YUYQA dog bark deterrent device, OKSJ anti-barking device, and RALYUNI ultrasonic bark controller. But which one offers the best bark control? Let's compare their standout features. YUYQA, 3x emission power in a pocket-sized tool. YUYQA takes the lead in ultrasonic output with its 3 synchronized ultrasonic emitters, delivering broad 3x coverage compared to dual or single emitter models. It boasts 6 training modes, including fixed and variable ultrasonic frequencies, an audible beep, and even an LED flashlight providing well-rounded behavior correction. With a 23 feet range, USB-C fast charging, and a 30-day battery life, it suits dog owners looking for a lightweight but powerful training tool. Bonus, it's 50% smaller than most competitors. OKSJ, the long-range tech-heavy option. If you're after distance and versatility, OKSJ is the only device offering up to 65 feet of bark control, nearly tripling YUYQA's range. It includes a smart triple-mode system with 4 ultrasonic intensities and 5 sound frequencies, plus a clear LED display for real-time adjustments. The 2000 mAh battery offers up to 50 days of use, with USB-C charging. It's a slightly larger device, but that's the trade-off for its advanced features and screen display. RALYUNI, safety, visibility and simplicity. RALYUNI strikes a balance between the two with dual emitter ultrasonic tech covering up to 35 feet, 3 simple training modes, and dual LED lights for night use. While it doesn't match OKSJ in range or YUYQA in output density, it stands out with a modern LCD screen and safety auto shut-off features. A great mid-range option for pet owners who value visual feedback and intuitive operation. Verdict: best for power and portability, YUYQA. Best for range and feature control, OKSJ. Best for night training and display use, RALYUNI. In conclusion, all 3 devices offer safe, humane, and effective bark control. The choice depends on your priorities: portability and daily use, YUYQA, tech-savvy versatility, OKSJ, or night-friendly usability, RALYUNI. Either way, peace and quiet are just a button press away.